thing I've got to know. Does he take you places that I don't? And what happened to the story that we wrote? You just say you don't know. You don't know. Oh no, you don't know. You don't know. Woo! Oh, let's just get this whole thing straight. I don't wanna kidnap the truth and negotiate, or miss the point, aim at you. Just wanna hear you say something that you believe to be true, but you say you don't know. You don't know. You just say you don't know. You don't know what it feels like. What it feels like. And so I'll go before I fall to pieces. Yes, I'll go before I fall to pieces. Now I'm just waiting for something that might never come. If it's a million to one shot, I'll make sure I'm the one. Seems that nothing is said except the truth turns to lies. Never figured it out, I found out why. So I'll go. Yes, I'll go. Yes, I'll go. Yes, I'll go. Oh, baby, I'll go. Oh, yes, I'll go. Yes, I'll go. Oh, yes, I'll go. Before I fall to pieces. Before I fall to pieces. Yes, I'll go. Before I fall to pieces. Yes, I'll go. Before I fall to pieces.
When I find myself in times of trouble, Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. And in my hour of darkness, she is standing right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. Whisper words of wisdom, let it be. When all the broken-hearted people living in the world agree, there will be an answer, let it be. Although they may be parted, there's still a chance for them to see. There will be an answer, let it be.